pumili ng faith card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung ano yung parating sa inyong buhay. So they asked me to cleanse first, so just go ahead and cleanse. So let's see kung anong parating sa inyong buhay. Another dimension to me. Clarify natin yung cards. Huwag mong baliwalain yung signs ng Panginoon para sa'yo. I'm sensing loneliness. You could be aware about something, pero you're stuck dahil meron kang anak. And na-sense ko rin merong mga agaw. So let's see what's coming into your life. So if ever you're dealing with a toxic connection, or baka mga tao sa paligid can be work din. So remember to take which resonates, leave what doesn't. Darating ang pagkakataon na iiwas ka ng Panginoon sa mga fake na tao or sa illusion. I kinda feel like you know exactly what's happening. Maybe you broke away from the illusions, from the lies of people. And we also have this one. So meron kang relasyon and maybe you do have a baby with this person. And I kinda feel na yung reason niya kung bakit ikaw yung kanyang pinili kasi nagandahan siya or nagwapuhan siya sa'yo. Okay, at I don't see it's good kasi dapat, nagkagusto siya sa'yo di dahil sa ganda. Kasi remember, nagpa-fade away yung ganda. Diba? So, anyway, I kinda feel na you are realizing things na hindi maganda yung maybe yung relasyon or pwede rin siguro with regards sa kamag-anak siguro ng iyong lover. Okay, so ito siguro yung nangyayari. And with the inspire being here, I feel like you're just inspired na magstay sa connection. I kinda feel it's karmic connection. And dahil sa baby, as you can see. But, the people around you are not really good. They're demanding something. As you can see. So far, ito nga may imagination nga. Baka yung nangyari dito guys, pinakita sa inyo ng Panginoon yung katotohanan. Baka nagayuma kayo, baka yun yung nangyari, or pwede rin, kung hindi man gayuma yan, baka na-brainwash kayo. At tapos na-realize mo na yung katotohanan na maybe your partner just love you because of your beauty. Okay? At baka yun yung nalinawagan ka sa katotohanan. To be honest, and let's see what we have here. So, yung parating sa inyong buhay is definitely ito yung ma-realize mo na you are not in a good place on where you're at as of this time. Maybe some of you are staying with this person, na nagkagusto sa'yo dahil sa ganda mo or sa kagapuhan. Tapos, yung mga tao sa paligid ay hindi ayos. If ever it's not about love-related, maybe it's about, let's say, work-related. And I feel like darating ang panahon na hanapin mo yung tao talaga na talaga nag-resonate sa'yo. Talagang mahal ka kung ano ka, hindi lang dahil sa ganda mo. Okay? And I kinda like feel with this one, if ever it's about work-related, hanapin mo yung work for you at yung magandang work environment na rin. Lesson that we got is this one. So, I kinda like feel yung parating sa inyong buhay is you will be brave to actually help you out. At I kinda like feel na magpapadala yung Panginoon ng mga tao na tutulong sa'yo if hindi mo kaya na, resolbahan kung ano man itong problem with regards to people around you. We also have this one. So, to be honest, guys, yung parating sa inyong buhay is magkakaroon ka ng realization. May mangyayari. I will not say na it's kinda like literally an accident, but I think there will come an experience or an event in your life wherein because of this event, you will realize things. Kasi, basta nyo siguro, hindi pa kayo aware na there's something wrong. Nabubulag pa rin kayo sa maskara. Maybe that's what happened. Maybe dahil nagayuma kayo or so forth. Okay, pero dating ang time na, yun nga, magkakaroon ka ng realization dahil sa isang insidente sa iyong buhay na mangyayari. So, you have the faith being here. So, maybe as of this time, you're in this way. Kasi rainbow, sometimes it actually, resembles illusions. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman forever din yung rainbow, nawawala din yan. Diba? So, darating ang time na ma-realize mo na hindi pala ganito yung buhay. Parang lahat ay illusion lang, may curse, may, inararamdaman mo, hindi naman pala totoo kasi nagayuma ka. Yung masasuggest ko lang talaga sa inyo, guys. Kasi, to be honest with you, in my life, naging biktima rin ako ng tao na nanggayuma sa akin. Okay, ang hirap talaga, guys. Kasi once na nabiktima ka ng ganyan, na akalain mo yung taong yun is siya yung the one. Yun yung pakiramdam. To be honest with you. Pero, nawawala lang yung ganong feeling kapag nagkaroon ka ng realization na nilaloko ka na ang taong iyon. Tapos, masyado siyang tawag doon kampante na mag-stay ka kasi nga may curse na nilagay sa'yo eh. Okay, so, yung masasuggest ko lang sa inyo, guys, para matanggal yung emotion na yun na hindi naman totoo, illusion lang, mag-pray kayo kay God. Honestly, pray nyo kay God na ialis nyo yung nararamdaman. Okay? Lalo na kung may ginagawa ng kalokohan yung iyong tao kasi hindi na rin maganda yun. So anyway, let's see what we have here. So we got this one. One of the greatest blessings, but it's in reverse. We also have this one. And we got the cheat. Okay. Ito yung incident na mangyayari if it's about relationship. May cheating na magaganap dito at maybe aksidente mong nalaman ito. Akala mo okay si love life or pwede yung career mo yung pala may nangyayaring lokohan. At dahil doon, you become awakened or realize something. So, you also got this one here. So, maybe matagal ka na talagang kinokontrol ng ilusyon. And with our gateway being here, so yung parating sa inyong buhay is you will break free from the illusions and lies manifestations, panggigipit sa'yo ng tao na nanggayuma sa'yo. So, you have the loss in reverse. Faith is in reverse. And we also got this in either way. Honestly, yung nangyari sa yung connection, if it's about love-related, nawala yung faith. Kasi you do have this faith card, right? Nawala yung faith kasi nagkaroon ka ng realization. So, maybe iba sa inyo nangyari dito, merong ebidensya na nagayuma ka. Baka yun na nangyari. Okay? Yan pa naman sa inyo, baka may cheating na nangyari at nagkaroon ka ng ebidensya about it. To be honest with you. Pero, this is in either way. Ibig sabihin lang nun, kapag nalaman mo yung ebidensya na yan, or nagkaroon ka ng realization, may tendency rin kasi guys, nakadepende talaga sa inyo, kasi there's definitely free will. Remember that always, kaya siya in either way, kasi it really depends on you, if you will remain there or not. So, anyway, let's see what else do we have here. I kinda feel like you will lose your patience over your lover, honestly speaking, and I kinda feel na babaliktad yung spell na nilagay sa'yo. Ibig sabihin lang nun na instead na ikaw yung in love sa kanya, you know, siya yung magkakaroon ng ganong pakiramdam. Bumaliktad. I kinda feel, the reason is maybe you will definitely pray na ialis sa'yo yung nilagay na curse. Okay? So anyway, ito yung parating sa inyong buhay. Kung ano yung hindi fated, aalisin na yan sa iyong buhay. If you got awakened and you do whatever it takes to get away from this negativity. So some of it's about work related, na maybe you're connected with the work na hindi nag-resonate or pwede negosyo din yan. You will acknowledge that there's some things that is not really fated. And you will definitely long for something that is balanced, talaga nag-resonate sa inyo guys, and you're really looking for cooperation din, kasi maybe with regards sa yung partner or sa mga tao sa paligid, madalas kayo nag-aaway, okay, walang peace doon, so you're really looking for this justice, you can see here. And look at this one guys, to be honest, so what's going to happen here, there could be third party situation na madidiscover ka na while you are in a relationship. I feel na maiyak ka talaga dito sa mga pangyayari, hindi mo na-expect. Honestly. So, maybe yung nangyari dito is baka hintay ka na nang hintay sa yung tao, yung pala sumama na siya sa iba. Ito yung masakit na mangyayari, okay? So, anyway, let's see guys kung ano yung karma ng taong ito na nanggayuma or naloloko sa inyo. Kasi kanila feel na nangyayari pa rin yun eh. Pwede rin yung ipasa nyo about to sa scam, naloko kayo. Pwede rin. Just take which resonates guys, okay? At nagising na kayo sa katotohanan, alright? So, anyway, tinan natin yung karma. I feel like the illusions will definitely erase, honestly. So, babaliktad, magbabackfire yung spell work na mangyayari dito. So, anyway, I kinda feel na yun nga, yung tao nyo, if ever it's about love related, yun nga, ginayuma kayo kasi, you know, gusto lang niyang makatikim or makaranas with you. So, until now, this person is definitely doing something to you, illusions, para manatili ka sa kanya at magkaroon ng passion. Pero you're not into it kasi nakikita mo dito na siya lang yung interested at ikaw ay hindi. So, isa sa kanyang karma guys, ang wala ng third party kasi, sorry guys, kasi ikaw yung mawawalan ng gana sa relasyon. Kasi hanap-hanapin mo na, you know, sana makatagpo ka ng tao na talaga nag-resonate sa'yo. as you can see there. And yeah, the illusions will break away as you can see here. At I kinda like feel na ito nga'y naakala niya na forever ka nang stagnant sa kanyang buhay, pero darating yung time na yun nga, matatauhan ka, but it's really up to you guys if you will do the work, kung aalis kayo o hindi. Kasi remember, may free will, diba? So, kung gusto mo umalis, kung nalaman mo yung katotohanan, suggestion ko lang talaga sa inyo, pray to God about it. Kasi, it really takes guts na umalis sa ganitong sitwasyon. So, pray kay God na, tulungan ka niya. At kung sakali man may strong feelings na hindi mo maintindihan, nakikita mo ng hindi maganda, abnormal na yung nararamdaman mo, then pray to God to help you remove, yung feelings na hindi naman genuine, honestly. And yeah, learn to accept kung sakali man nakita mo tong ebidensya, kasi minsan yung ibang mga tao nakita na yung ebidensya, pero nandun pa rin, hindi nila iniintindi, okay? So on your end, if you want to end this roller coaster ride with the wrong person, with the wrong career, whatever it is, and then you really have to make it work na makaalis ka. Nag-pray ka kay God, kasi si God talaga yung nagliligtas din sa mga ganitong mahirap na mga bagay. And yeah, miracles does happen. So, pray kayo kay God for removing this negativity of your life, of your shoulders. Okay, and that's it guys, and God bless all of you.